Hi everyone, I'm one of the material creators of the Fabricant World of Women collaboration. I am a textile designer and a weaver enjoying learning new skills, lately especially in 3D. And I would like to give you a short introduction to the fabrics that you will be able to co-create with. These materials are part of the Augmented weaving project that my friend Flavia Bon and me, Anita Michaluszko, have initiated in 2021. It is an experimental investigation around the technique of 𝗗𝗂 weaving and digital forms of craft. So weaving is the principle behind these materials, meaning that a fabric is created by interlacing threads, whether in a digital or a physical way. This one is called Milky Way, a material with an endlessly shaded galaxy structure. And this is silver grain because silver threads give it a mysterious shine. We will be showing you how to make these kinds of materials yourself through the Fabricant's Twitch stream soon. And we are both very excited to see what you will create with those materials and technique. Looking very much forward to it. See you soon!